Hey folks, Adam here, and we are looking at this stupendous device. This is the Mova. It is the V50 Ultra, and I tell you what, this thing is a cleaning powerhouse that I love, and I know you're going to love as well. Now, this has some of the most impressive laser navigation on the market, so we're going to show you and tell you a little bit about that. We've tested the performance with these big mop heads that spin and clean every single time. I love the fact that we've got the dual scrubbers here that are going to get out things like coffee stains, dirt, cat hair, and debris. And yeah, this thing is an industry first dual cleaning solution with incredible tanks that is going to be perfect for you pet owners out there. So let's go ahead. We're going to check it out, and we're going to kick it off right about now. Now folks, one of the best things about this is it's got these wheels right here that are designed for obstacle crossings. I'm talking about door thresholds, and this is going to smoothly roll right over obstacles up to 6 centimeters. That is going to allow you to tackle multiple rooms without any issues at all. In addition, we flipped it over to show you this smooth action here. These rubberized wheels are going to be extra quiet on your floors and make sure that you're getting everything ultra clean. I also love this AI Smart Sight. This is a really smart lifting LDS Laser Navigation design, a smart radar that adapts to furniture height, and at only 89.5 millimeters, the ultra slim body adapts and makes sure it cleans those hard to reach spaces like under beds and sofas. Folks, I also love the 24,000 PA of suction, the dual mechanical side arms as well, and the triple anti-tangle system, making sure it gets a true deep clean every single time. And you never really have to worry about getting things like long hair, cat hair, things like that stuck. It automatically cleans out those brushes underneath to where you can get it clean every single time. Of course, folks, I love the fact that this allows you to go over obstacles. That Stepmaster trademark obstacle climbing, again, is very impressive. The Flex Scope navigation, again, something no one else has. The triple anti-tangle mechanisms make sure that you never have to worry about tangles underneath. The DuoSolution system, the jet spray dry board, and the Omni system, this thing is fantastic. What does that all mean? That means that it cleans and it mops. It's available in black and white. And the thermo mopping solution makes sure your floors get shiny and clean. This is winning all the awards like the Slash Gear Innovation Award, the ZD Net Best of Show, and of course the Ambient Best in Show at CES 2025. This thing is really a beautiful device, and I love that step system, making sure that it goes over even larger steps time and time again. They've done this to conquer those door tracks, and yeah, I've never seen anything quite like this. They've really done a great job. It picks up hidden debris with the retractable DTOF sensor, getting rid of dead spots under furniture. It gets everything picked up under that furniture, under cabinets and things of the sort. And it has better visibility. The V50 Ultra provides 360-degree views, efficient mopping, and targeting. It targets those spots to make them ultra clean. Now, compared to other systems, it has advanced AI Smart Sight to make sure that it is able to scan the room, get up close, identify over 200 obstacles, and go around them. And it is able to get things up like dirt, potato chips, hair. I love that, and that Duo anti-tangle system is really nice as well. Now you couple that with the thermo mopping and the DuoSolution system, the high-speed rotating mops in thermo water helps dissolve stubborn stains, improving cleaning results with its innovative system. And this is perfect for pet odor and eliminating stains and spots. So no more pet odors. And with that 400 milliliter cleaning solution, this just does a great job getting rid of anything. And of course, the formulated formulated with N-soya morpholine. I hope I said that right. It deodorizes. Well, it works. And folks, I also absolutely love that it cleans itself, cleans those mop heads while you go. That's a big selling point for me because so many brands let your mop heads stay dirty, then they get smelly, and then you're dragging smelly mop heads around. And you never have to worry about that with this system. So it's got the auto hot water tank refill as well to make sure you're getting a nice hot water cleaning like it should. And wider sweeping coverage. They've done a great job making sure that everything is covered. And folks, I gotta hand it to them with a 6400 mAh battery. You don't have to go and recharge very often. And that extra big water tank makes sure things stay clean. Now, when it goes ahead and docks, it's cleaning everything out, so you aren't manually emptying the tanks and refilling over and over again. It's doing all the work for you. On top of that, it's backed by a great brand that stands behind their products every single time, making high quality devices that are perfect for your home and great for my home as well. And you can say, "Hey Mova," and this thing will start working, which is really, really cool as well. It uses the latest AI, and you can talk to it, and you can start cleaning.
Okay, start cleaning.
How cool is that, folks? All I had to do was talk to my device, and it is working. And folks, I also love the fact that this will tie right into your Apple Watch to make sure you're getting the perfect clean with your smartest of devices. And folks, I love the fact that you can walk through this app. It'll show me that it's currently returning for a wash. It's doing its mapping. We can select different zones to be cleaned. We can clean specific rooms. We can pause and end, and we can even jump into our Clean Genius for hands-free cleaning. And on top of all that, again, it has no problem going over thresholds. Just a smart design to make sure that you can go from room to room without a single problem. And folks, I absolutely love that I can go into the app itself and I can use the camera system to go ahead and see everything that's going on, look at what it's looking at, and be able to control it from the app itself. So they've just done a great job allowing me that access to where I can see underneath my furniture, I can check on my pets, and I can see everything that's going on from its own eyes. So folks, whether it's the app control, the powerful suction, the drying mops that don't seem to leave a stink, the self-washing mops, the fact that this has a powerful battery, the fact that it can go over a threshold and clean up spills, vacuum and mop, makes this one of the most powerful robot vacuums on the planet. Couple that with the fact that you can literally talk to it, this thing is an absolute winner. Folks, my name is Adam. We're talking about the best products in all the land, and this one is among the best of the best. Whether you're talking about cleaning up spills, whether you're talking about dust and debris, getting those potato chips and dirt off the floor, maybe coffee grounds, this is a tremendous device that I love and I know you're going to love as well. So folks, it's time to go ahead and pick one up. It's time to get to shopping. You will not be disappointed. You know I love you. You know I appreciate you. But what are you waiting for, folks? Go get one. Thanks for watching. Adios, amigos.